Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice, your daily habit for speaking English. Today, you'll listen to 10 short, real-life conversations between me and Nora. They are simple, useful, and spoken naturally, just like how native speakers talk. But before we start, let me show you how you can use this video to practice your English effectively. How to use this video. This video is not just for watching, it's for active practice. Here's how to use it. First, listen to each conversation without reading the subtitles. Then, watch again and repeat the lines after me and Nora. You can pause, shadow, or even act out the scenes with emotion. Finally, watch one more time, and try to say the entire conversation yourself, like a role play. Bonus tip, practice both roles, be Alex and Nora. Speak out loud. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll feel. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Meeting someone new.
Hey, I don't think we have met.
I'm Nora.
Nice to meet you, Nora. I'm Alex.
Are you new here?
Yeah, just moved in last week.
Oh, welcome. How are you liking it so far?
It's pretty good. Everyone seems friendly.
That's great to hear. If you need anything, just ask.
Number 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me find the library?
Sure.
It's just down the hall next to the cafe.
Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Is it open now?
I think it opens at 9 a.m.
Perfect, I'll check it out. Thanks again. Number 3. Ordering at a cafe.
Hi, can I get a large iced coffee, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be $3.
Here you go.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Thanks.
Number 4. Talking about weekend plans.
Got any plans this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going hiking with friends. You?
Just staying home and relaxing.
That sounds nice too.
I might also catch up on some reading.
Good idea. I have a few books on my list too. Number 5. Shopping.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
It's $25, but there's a discount today.
Oh, great. I'll take it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Do you want to pay by card or cash?
I will use my card.
Number 6. Making a phone call. Hello. This is Alex.
Hi, Alex, it's Nora. Are you free to talk?
Sure, what's up?
Just wanted to confirm our meeting tomorrow.
Yes, 3 p.m. at the cafe, right?
Exactly. See you there.
Looking forward to it. Number 7. At the doctor's office.
I've had a headache for 3 days.
Have you taken any medicine?
Only some painkillers.
I will write you a prescription.
Thank you.
Should I take it after meals?
Yes, twice a day after food.
Got it.
Number 8. Asking for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight, take a left at the lights.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is it far from here?
Not really, just a 5-minute walk.
Great. Thanks again. Number 9. Talking about the weather.
It's so cold today.
I know. I had to wear 2 jackets.
They said it might snow.
I hope not. I have to drive tonight.
Be careful. Roads can get slippery.
I will. Thanks for the reminder. Number 10. Small talk at school.
This class is harder than I thought.
Yeah, but the teacher is great.
True.
I like her examples.
Let's study together sometime.
Good idea. Maybe after school tomorrow?
Perfect. Let's meet in the library. 3 mistakes to avoid. 1. Only watching, not repeating. 2. Choosing content that's too difficult. 3. Giving up too soon. Choose easy content. Practice daily. Speak out loud. Here's what to expect. 1 week, better understanding and more confidence. 1 month, speaking more fluently. 3 months, thinking in English, faster responses, real results. Consistency is the secret. Bonus challenge, roleplay both sides. Let's try something fun. Pick your favorite conversation from today. Now, act out both roles. You can even record your voice as Alex and Nora. This is fun and powerful practice. Looking for a speaking partner? Alex. Want a speaking buddy? We've created a Google form just for that. It's super easy, fill it out, and we'll try to match you with someone who's also learning. Link in the description. Want to improve even faster? Try this. Pause the video after each line and repeat it out loud. Try to guess what we'll say before you hear it. Which conversation did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. Hey, before we wrap up. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's go over 10 useful phrases from today's conversations. How are you liking it so far? If you need anything, just ask. Would you like a receipt? I might also catch up on some reading. Do you want to pay by card or cash? Looking forward to it. Should I take it after meals? Just a 5-minute walk. Roads can get slippery. Let's meet in the library. Try to use 3 of these phrases today in your own English practice. Want to improve your listening fast? Listen to the same video 2 to 3 times. Don't worry about understanding every word, focus on the main message. Practice daily, 10 minutes is enough. Want to speak English more fluently and sound more natural? Then you must try the shadowing technique, it's one of the most effective methods out there. Here's how it works. Shadowing means listening to someone speak and repeating what they say immediately, out loud, with the same tone, speed, and rhythm. You're like a shadow following their voice. Step-by-step shadowing practice. Choose a short conversation, like one from this video. Play 1 line, and as soon as you hear it, repeat it out loud, at the same time as the speaker. Don't pause, try to keep up, even if you miss a word. Match the emotion and tone, copy the way native speakers speak. Do it again and again, until your voice and rhythm feel natural. Example. Let's say Nora says, "Hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Nora." You press play, and immediately say with her, "Hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Nora." Then Alex replies, "Nice to meet you, Nora. I'm Alex." You say it at the same time. "Nice to meet you, Nora. I'm Alex." It might feel hard in the beginning, but after a few tries, it becomes fun. Why shadowing works. Trains your mouth to speak like a native. Improves pronunciation, fluency, and rhythm. Builds confidence to speak without fear. Helps your brain process English faster. Builds your speaking muscle memory. Think of it like gym for your mouth, the more you practice, the stronger your English becomes. How long should you shadow? Start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Focus on one conversation at a time. Do it daily, even a little bit goes a long way. Shadowing plus repeating equals success. First, shadow the lines. Then, pause and repeat the sentence slowly on your own. This helps you build understanding plus fluency at the same time. Pro tip, use headphones and speak clearly. Record yourself and compare. Don't try to be perfect. Just keep going, and over time, your natural English voice will come out. Shadowing is how many people become fluent, and you can too. This channel is called Daily English Practice, and we're here to help you practice speaking English every single day. Improve your listening with real-life conversations. Learn new phrases and useful expressions. Build your confidence step by step. Every week, we post one long video like this. 3 short listening practice clips. 1 motivational podcast episode each month. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate speaker, this channel is your daily habit for speaking English. So if you want to improve your English, subscribe now and join thousands of learners around the world. I know learning English can feel hard sometimes. You might feel nervous, or think you're not good enough. But listen, you're already doing something amazing. You showed up. You listened. You practiced. That's how progress happens, little by little, day by day. So don't stop now. Keep speaking. Keep trying. And always remember, I believe in you. You've got this. See you in the next one.